Hello guys, welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can make money on Bybit. So Bybit is well known for derivatives trading, but many people don't know that there are actually many ways to make money on Bybit. So in this video, we're going to go through all ways that you can use to make money on Bybit. So it doesn't matter whether you're a beginner or advanced trader, but by the end of this video, you're going to know how exactly you're going to make money on Bybit, and you're going to know all the risk management tools that you need to know for you to take advantage of this crypto market. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So once you sign up on Bybit, you're gonna see a dashboard that look like this. By the way, if you want to sign up on Bybit, you're gonna see a link in the description below, and if you use my link, you're gonna get a bonus up to 4,000 US dollars. So if you go through the dashboard, you're gonna find pairs, all your favorite pairs and hot coins that Bybit is offering, including all the products that Bybit is offering as well. And you can also download the app. So the app is available on Apple Store or Google Play and all that stuff. So let's go to the main deal. As you can see, this tab right here, there's buy crypto. So for example, if you simply want to buy crypto using your credit card, you can simply click right here where it's written one click buy. So with one click buy, you can simply put your amount that you want to spend. So for example, right now I'm in South Africa right now, and I'm willing to spend my South African rand. So if I want to spend let's say 200 rand, I can simply type right here 200 rand, and you can see that I'm gonna receive approximately 10 US dollars. So I'm spending South African rand to receive US dollars. All right, so USDT is equivalent to US dollar. So right here I can simply click deposit, and it's gonna ask me to put my card details, but in your case it's gonna give you an option to add your card, and right now it says pay this service is unavailable. So anyway, let's go ahead. But that's how exactly you can buy crypto on Bybit using your credit card. So right here is P2P trading. So with P2P trading simply means buying cryptocurrencies directly from a seller. If you click P2P trading, you can find a lot of ways that you can use to buy cryptos. You can buy crypto with PayPal, you can buy crypto with bank transfer and all that stuff. So Bybit has made it easier for people to buy crypto using different ways online, right? So this is why P2P comes in. So you can go through all the orders and stuff like that, and also you can sell your crypto using different methods other than credit card and all that stuff. So this is what P2P is all about. You buy and sell crypto directly from one another. So let's go ahead to another tab, which is fiat deposit. So this is the same thing, right? You buy crypto using your credit card, so the service is unavailable. All right, and last option right here, we have instant crypto deposit to your account. So with crypto deposit, you simply deposit crypto from any exchange. So for example, if you have Binance account and you want to deposit money from Binance to Bybit, you can use crypto deposit. So you're simply gonna go ahead and click where it's written select crypto. So it's gonna give you a bunch of options. Let's say you want to deposit Bitcoin or Ethereum, you're simply gonna click the coin like this and then choose a network. But anyway, Bybit has only Bitcoin chain, so keep in mind that we have a lot of networks like Polygon, Ethereum and all other stuff, but right here Bybit is only offering Bitcoin chain. But if I click Ethereum right here, for example, Ethereum, you're gonna see that I'm gonna have different options, right? So you can see that we have Arbitrum, Binance Smart Chain, which is BEP20, and all other networks that are available right now that I can take advantage of. But like popular one is BEP20 and ERC20, but ERC20 is very expensive, so I don't suggest people to use. But if you want to deposit Ethereum, I suggest that you use BEP20. So for example, if you want to deposit from Binance to Bybit, you're gonna have to use a same network. So you're gonna have to copy a BP address right here on Bybit, which is this one right here, BP20, and then use it on Binance to send crypto. So on Binance, you're also gonna have to use the same network. You can always use different networks. So if you want to deposit crypto using BP20, make sure you use BP20 address and BEP20 network. Do not make that mistake. And right here, you're simply gonna have to acknowledge, and they're gonna provide you with BEP20 address. So you copy this address and then you go to Binance or any other crypto exchange that have BEP20 network, and then you deposit using that network. So this is how exactly you can get crypto on Bybit using these 4 methods that they have listed right here. So if you click this button right here where it's written market overview, it's simply gonna show you all the coins and markets that are available on Bybit. So right here we have market sentiment. It simply shows you the difference between longs and shorts. So right now you can see that a lot of people are longing, meaning that a lot of people are buying, and they're predicting that the market of Bitcoin or the price of Bitcoin is gonna go up. Okay, so we have shorts. These are people that are predicting that the market is gonna go down. But right here we can see that we have favorites. So for example, if you click any coin as your favorite, it's gonna go under this tab right here where it's written favorites. If you click spot trading, it's gonna show you all the pairs that are listed under spot trading. So these are pairs that you can trade on spot. Spot trading simply means buying and selling cryptocurrencies. So going forward, you can see that under spot trading we have all the pairs that are listed on Bybit. Right here we have Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solanas, and all that stuff. So let's say if you want to buy any of these cryptocurrencies as the market is going up, you can simply go to spot trading and click this tab right here where it's written trade, or go to this tab where it's written trade. So this tab right here simply shows you the markets and the prices of cryptocurrencies that are available on Bybit. So if you want to go through all the coins, the prices, and all that stuff, you can simply come to Bybit and click this market tab right here, and it's going to show you pretty much anything you need to know about all the coins and the market. So the main deal right here is this tab where it's written trade. So as you can see, we have spot trading, convert, margin trading, leverage tokens, trading bots, and other stuff. But right here you need to know spot trading. So as I said earlier in this video, spot trading is simply buying and selling cryptocurrencies. So for example, if you want to buy Bitcoin and you just want to hold it, you don't want to trade derivatives, you can come to spot trading and click this button right here, or click convert. But let's start with spot trading right here, and then you're going to go to convert. So if you click this button where it's written spot trading, it's going to give me a spot trading dashboard. By the way guys, you can also do all this stuff using your phone. Doesn't really matter, it's the same thing. I also trade using phone, but I think trading on computer is just much better. So this is a spot trading dashboard. So for example, if you want to buy Ethereum, you're simply going to go to this tab right here, and then it's going to show you Ethereum pair, or you can simply search any coin that you want to trade. So we have all the coins that we need right here. We can go through all the coins right here, and if you want specifically like meme coins, you're gonna click this tab right here, and it's gonna show you all the meme coins that are available on Bybit. And you can see that this is Pepe. We have all the Pepes, Doges, and stuff like that. And if you want Arbitrum ecosystem, you're gonna go ahead and click this tab. It's gonna show you all the coins that are available under Arbitrum ecosystem, and you can also go through all the ecosystem available on Bybit right here. But like if you want to buy Bitcoin using USDT, which is like the 0 fees right here, then you're just gonna go ahead and click this pair, and it's gonna show you all the pairs that are under USDC. So you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum as well, or XRP using USDC, and you're gonna need some USDC in order for you to use USDC pair. But the popular one is USDT right here. So this is the reason why I would suggest people to use USDC, because you can be able to buy a lot of pairs using USDC. So we also have DAI. DAI is a stable coin, but it's not that popular. So you can buy Bitcoin using DAI as well, and other stuff. So let's go ahead to USDC, because this is what we're going to use for us to buy cryptos on Bybit. So as you can see, Bitcoin pair is already selected right here, but I can simply click like this if I want to buy Bitcoin using USDC, and it's going to take me to the same dashboard right here. So this is a chart on Bybit. You can do all the technical analysis and all other stuff. You have volume, and you have all the tools right here on this tab right here. Okay, so you can see once I click it, it expands, and it's gonna give me all the tools. By the way guys, on this channel I made a video explaining about my tools and stuff like that. So make sure you watch this video if you want to know about technical analysis and all the tools that I use to make money using Bybit. Anyway guys, let's continue. So if you take a look at this tab right here, you can see that we have buy and sell tabs, right? So if I click buy, meaning that I'm willing to buy cryptos using USDT that I have, and if I click sell, it means that I'm willing to sell Bitcoin that I have for USDT, because this is Bitcoin USDT pair. So if I click buy, you'd notice that right here is going to say buy Bitcoin, okay? And if you click sell, you'd notice that right here is going to be written sell Bitcoin, okay? So I don't have any Bitcoin right now. That's why right here is written available balance 0 BTC. But then I have some USDT in my account, and that USDT is under derivatives account. So I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer some USDT right now to my spot trading account, because this is spot trading. Remember, we have derivatives trading and spot trading section. So I'm gonna scroll down and transfer right now real quick. And this is how exactly you transfer money from derivatives to spot trading, so that you can be able to buy Bitcoin on spot trading. But if you want to trade futures, you can simply transfer money from spot trading to derivatives, so that you can trade futures. All right. So as you can see right here, you can see that on derivatives I have got approximately $1,912 and I want to transfer approximately $100 for me to buy Bitcoin on spot trading. So I simply gonna go ahead and type right here 100 like this and click confirm. Okay, so it's just gonna load up, and right here you can see that it says transfer completed. So I've got $100 on my spot trading that I can use to buy Bitcoin right now. So this is not derivatives, this is spot trading. I'm just gonna buy Bitcoin and hold. It's sort of an investment. So let's say if I want to invest like $100, so I'm just gonna buy Bitcoin and hold it, and I'll be making money when the price of Bitcoin is going up. So as you can see, this is the chart of Bitcoin. Each and every candle right here represents 1 day. Because of the time frame right here, I selected 1 day, so that's why each and every candle represents 1 day. So if you want to know about the charts and all that stuff, I made a video on the channel right here, so please watch it so that you're gonna know all the technical analysis and all that stuff. And guys, if you really want to take your trading game to another level, then I suggest that you go to Heavy Crypto Academy. The link is gonna be in the description below as well. So this is Heavy Crypto Academy. This is where you can learn pretty much anything about trading. So this is where you can learn all the technical analysis, crypto arbitrage, futures trading, leverage tokens, and pretty much anything that you need to know, from derivatives to DeFi and all other stuff. So I pretty much put anything that you need to know about crypto, and you can also book me for one-on-one right here by clicking this button. And if you want my tools, you can click right here. But without any further ado, let's continue to our video. So right now, since I've got $100 and I'm willing to spend this $100 to buy Bitcoin, so I've got limit right here. If I click limit, it means that I'm gonna set my own price. So for example, right now, let's say I want to buy Bitcoin at the price of 36,500. all right, so I simply gonna go ahead and type right here 36,500. okay, so if the price of Bitcoin hit 36,500, my order will be executed, because right now the current price of Bitcoin is 36,969. all right, so this is the reason why I use limit order, because I'm waiting for the price of Bitcoin to hit 36,500 so that my order will be executed instead of buying right now. So I simply gonna swipe this to 100%, meaning that I'm willing to spend 100% of US dollars that I have right here. So you can see that the order value is gonna be 99.9735 because of fees and stuff like that, which is not a lot anyway. But I'm gonna get 0.002739 worth of BTC, and this order is gonna be executed when the price of Bitcoin hits 36,500. okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click buy. So right here you can see that it is telling me that your order price is 36,500. so if the price of Bitcoin drops from 36,900 to 36,500, this order is gonna be executed, and I'm gonna get this amount of Bitcoin, which is 0.002739 worth of BTC, and this is my order value in US dollars. okay, so if I click buy, you're gonna see that this I'm gonna have a current order right now. This is called order book. All right, so I placed my order right here in an order book. So if the price of Bitcoin drops to 36,500, this order is gonna get executed and I'm gonna have some Bitcoin on my wallet. So right now, as you can see, the price of Bitcoin has not reached this 36,500. That's why filled quantity is 00 right here, and I've got unfilled quantity which has to be filled, which is approximately 0.0027. So if the price of Bitcoin hit this price, my order will be filled up, and then I'm gonna have this amount of Bitcoin. And right here you can see the time and date, and this is order ID. Okay, so this is the type of order, is limit. So this is how exactly limit order is all about. You simply set your own price in an order book and wait for the price of Bitcoin to reach that certain price, and then your order will be executed. So right here you can see order history, so you can see all your orders you have placed on bybit, and right here you can see trade history, so it's going to show you all the trades as well. And right here you have subscription, redemption history, and borrowing and repay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cancel this because I don't want to wait. The price of Bitcoin is still 36,980, so I'm gonna have to wait for this price to drop to 36,500 so that this order is gonna be executed. So I don't want to wait. I'm just gonna cancel this. All right, so you only use market order if you do not want to wait. So for example, right now I want to spend this amount and I don't want to wait. I'm just gonna take from the market using this current price right here. So I'm just gonna swipe this up to 100%. But the way you can also swipe this up to any amount you want. So let's say if you want to spend 80% of your money that you have, meaning that I'm just gonna spend 80% of this $100, I can simply put right here exactly at 80% and click buy, and this order is gonna be executed immediately or filled immediately, and I'm gonna get some Bitcoin on my wallet. Okay, if I want to spend, let's say 50%, I can simply swipe right here and put 50%. I'm gonna buy Bitcoin worth 50% of money that I have, so meaning that I'm gonna spend only $50 out of this $100 that I have on my wallet. Okay, so let's say I want to spend 100%, I'll put 100% like this and click buy. So if I click buy, this order is gonna get filled immediately, and I'm gonna buy at the current price. And you can see that the current price is $37,004. Okay, so this is the current price right now, and I'm gonna buy Bitcoin at this price. Okay, so let's click buy. Again, it wants us to confirm we are using a market order. We are taking from the market, and our order is gonna get filled immediately. We're not gonna wait and all that stuff. So this is the quantity of Bitcoin that we're gonna get. 0.0027 or 2 worth of Bitcoin. And order value, we are spending $100. So if I click buy like this, you're gonna see that we're gonna have Bitcoin on my I'm gonna have Bitcoin on my wallet, and that $100 is gone. So I have bought Bitcoin using $100 that I had on my wallet. So using a limit order, you set your own price and you wait for the price of Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency that you're trading with to hit that certain price, and then your order is gonna get executed or filled. But if you use a market order, you're gonna buy at the current price, and your order is gonna get filled immediately. So right now you can see that I've spent all the $100 that I had on my wallet, and if I go ahead and click sell, you can see that I have some Bitcoins right now. This Bitcoin is worth $100. So it's the same thing right here. You can simply swipe right here. So let's say if I want to spend 100% of my Bitcoins, you know, I'm gonna get this amount, which is 99.89 worth of $. So I've paid a little bit of fees, that's why right now it's 99.89 worth of $. So you simply have to do the same thing, okay, vice versa. So right now I've got this amount of Bitcoin. I want to sell it back to USDT. I can simply click right here. I can simply swipe this up to 100% and click sell. So I'm gonna get this amount of USDT. Okay, and I can also use the limit order. So let's say I want to make profit. I bought this Bitcoin at the current price of 37,000, and I want to sell it at 37,200, meaning that I'm gonna sell at higher price and I'll make profit. And I want to make a profit, right? So let's say I want to sell at the price of 37,500, for example. 500, meaning that I'm gonna make profit of $1. So I bought low and I'm trying to sell high, so I'm gonna place a limit order right there. Okay, so you can see I'm selling Bitcoin at this price, 37,500. So if the price of Bitcoin goes up and hit this price, I'm gonna sell this amount of Bitcoin and I'm gonna make a profit of $1 because I had $100 and I'm trying to sell it at higher price, at the price of 37,500. And this how exactly we make money with spot trading. So this is how exactly we make money with spot trading. You simply buy low and sell high so that we can make money in this crypto market. But right now, for example, let's say I want to make money using derivatives trading or futures trading. So all you have to do is to go ahead to this tab right here where it's written derivatives, same thing and all that stuff. So if I click, you can see it's showing me this dashboard and all the pairs that I can use to trade futures trading on Bybit. But right now I only want to go straight to the dashboard, so all I have to do is to click this button right here where it's written trade now, or I can go ahead to derivatives and then select a coin right here and coin. Okay, so before we go to trading dashboard, I also want to explain to you about inverse contract. So you only use inverse contract if you want to trade Bitcoin as your collateral. So for example, if I want to trade USDT, which I'm going to do right now, against Bitcoin, it means that I'm gonna use USDT as my collateral. So I need USDT as a collateral to trade against Bitcoin. That's why it's written USDT perpetual. But if I have some Bitcoin and I want to use that Bitcoin as perpetual to trade against USDT or any other pairs right here, I should have to click this button where it's written inverse contract, and I'm gonna be able to trade using Bitcoin against all other pairs as well. But a popular one is USDT perpetual, which is USDT against all any other cryptocurrencies. So you're gonna need USDT in your account as your collateral. So I can simply go ahead and click this button where it's written BTC USDT, or click this button where it's written trade now. If you're using a mobile app, you're not gonna see this dashboard. It's simply gonna take you straight to derivatives trading dashboard. Alright guys, so this is futures trading or derivatives trading. As you can see, it's pretty much similar to spot trading dashboard, but there's a little bit different. The difference is right here you have long and short. This is different, and you also have this X leverage too. So I'm gonna explain to you pretty much in detail, and you're gonna know how exactly you can use all these tools in order for you to place trades and stuff like that. But like, let me just remove myself right here so that you're gonna see pretty much anything what's going on right now. So as you can see right here, you still have this tab right here. This is where you can select any pair that you want to trade. So if you want to trade Ethereum or Solana and stuff like that, you can find all pairs right here under this tab. But don't worry about this tab because it's giving you information based on this chart and this candlestick. But right here you have a price, and this is the price of Bitcoin right now, same as right here. So this price right here is same as this one. And if you change any pair right here and put Solana, right here is going to show the price of Solana. This price is the price of any currency that you have selected. So you still have the tools right here on this corner, and these tools are from TradingView because I'm using a TradingView chart right here. But if you want to stick to standard chart of Bybit or a chart provided by Bybit, and you simply have to click right here and you're gonna see original charts from Bybit. But if you want to use TradingView, as TradingView is the most powerful tool for trading, then you're gonna have to click right here where it's written TradingView. So you still have other tools like depth. This is a tool that shows you volume of buyers and sellers and stuff like that. Anyways, let's go ahead. As you can see right here, we have order book. These people, or these numbers in red, represent people that are selling, and these people in green represent people that are buying. So if you press an order, your order goes on your order book. But other than that, so once you open a position, you're gonna see your position under positions, and this is Bitcoin USDT position, and this is the quantity, and this is the value of this position, and I only put like $100, so it's 37x. So if you say 37 times 100, it will give you value of 4,740 USD. So as you can see, currently this position is making approximately 924 US dollars in profit, making approximately 706% in profit. And we have already taken out approximately 3,496 US dollars, because I took out approximately 70% of this position. This was like 500 US dollar position, so I took out 3,496 profits from this position, all right, because I think the market is going to go down and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you how exactly you can press trades and you can close trades and all that stuff in this video. So let's go back to this tab, because this is a very important tab, and this is where we all place trades and stuff like that. So as you can see, this is my equity. In this account I have approximately 3,809 US dollars, and my available balance right now is 2,853 that I can use to trade. Okay, so right here you have trade and tools. Okay, but right now you're gonna focus on trade because you don't want to use these tools, right? We want to focus on trades, and we want to know how exactly we can place trades. So you're gonna go ahead to where it's written trades, and right here you have two options, right? You have cross and isolated. If you use cross, it means that you are using your whole account, all right, to pretty much place a trade. So for example, if you have like 4,000 in your account and you want to use cross, it means that you're going to use the whole available balance that is in your account, meaning that you're going to use the whole 4,000 US dollars to trade. But if you use isolated, Bybit is going to provide you an option whereby you're going to have to select the amount that you want to use. All right, so for example, if you want to use approximately like 50% of your capital, you're going to have to go with isolated. So I trade pretty much with isolated option because it allows me to only use specific amounts of money that I have on my wallet. So let's go to isolated right there. So right here you're gonna have to choose the leverage. All right, so as you can see, we have from 1x to 100x. okay, they're very simply means multiplying your capital that you have. Right here, as you can see, I usually trade with approximately 37x or 39x, which is too risky, but I suggest that you go with less than 10x because it's much safe. Okay, so going ahead, we still have market and limits. If you use limits, you're gonna enter a position at a specific price. So if you use market, you're gonna enter a position immediately. So for example, right now, as you can see, the price is kind of like going down, and if you want to know more about price action and stuff like that, I use heavy crypto and heavy crypto tools. Heavy crypto indicator is an indicator that simply tells you when it's good time to buy and when it's good time to sell. As you can see right now, this indicator is telling me that right now is good time to sell. That's why I'm willing to press a trade. So it's up to me to decide whether to use a market order or limit order. As I said, if I use a market order, I'm gonna enter a position immediately. So for example, right now I want to enter a position immediately. I'm just gonna put the amount that I want to trade with right here. So let's say I want to use 10% of my capital, which is gonna cost me approximately 282 US dollars. This gonna multiply by 39x, and if I want to go long, it's gonna be multiplied by 37x. So I can also choose my leverage right there and all that stuff. Okay, so let's say I want to multiply this position by 4% or 3%. I can simply click confirm and then enter a trade. Okay, so this short position is going to be multiplied by 10, and I'm using 10% of my capital, and this is the value of this position right now after I'm using 10x leverage and stuff like that. So if I click short position right there, you're just gonna enter immediately, and these are the details and stuff like that. So right here, this is very important because it's telling me that if the price of Bitcoin reaches 45,867, I'm gonna lose this 277, and this is called liquidation price. Okay, so the order price, it says last traded price because I'm using a current price to enter a position, and quantity is 0.030 BTC, and it's gonna cost me 277 USD. The order value is 1,105. This is the order value because if you take this 277 times 4, it's gonna give you 1,105, and I'm using isolated leverage, which is 4x, and time in force is immediately or cancel. So if I click confirm right now, I'm just gonna enter position at the current price, but I don't want to enter right now because I have to do my technical analysis based on my tools, heavy crypto indicator I'm gonna have to go through all this stuff and then take advantage of this market. So if you want this tool, the link is gonna be in the description as well. It's called Heavy Crypto Indicator. So anyway, let's go ahead, guys. As you can see, this is the difference between open shorts or open long. So open long simply means that I'll be making money when the price of Bitcoin is going up. Open short, it means that I'll be making money when the price of Bitcoin is going down. Same thing applies to any other coins right here. If I click Ethereum and click long right here, I'll be making money when the price of Ethereum is going up. And if I click short, I'll be making money when the price of Ethereum is going down. So let's go back to our Bitcoin price. So if you want to set take profit or stop loss, you're simply gonna click this tab, and right here you're gonna have to put your price. So for example, let's go to trading view. This is where we do all the technical analysis, and I want to see Ethereum charts. So if I click Ethereum right here, it's gonna show me Ethereum chart. This is Ethereum chart. So I want to take profit when the price of Ethereum reaches 2033 US dollars. Okay, so I'm gonna go to, so I want to take profit when price of Ethereum reaches 2033. Okay, meaning that I'm gonna make approximately 2.3% right there. And right here I can put a stop loss. So for example, I want to put a stop loss when the price of Ethereum goes to 2053. So if price of Ethereum reaches 2053, this position is gonna be closed, and let's see how much money I'm gonna lose. And you can see that in this case I'm gonna lose I'm gonna lose $1 US right here, which is 0.55%, and this is the money I'm gonna lose. And if the price of Ethereum goes to 2033 US dollars, I'm gonna make $6 US right there, and this is gonna be 2.37%. And if I click confirm, we're gonna be sorted. As you can see right now, the market is going to my direction, and now this position is in green. So these tools works and all that stuff. As you can see, it gave me a sell signal, so the market is going to my direction. So this is how exactly you can place a short position. And if you want to place a long position, you're gonna pretty much do the same thing, just choose either limits or markets. So this is it, how you can place trades and all other stuff. So if you want to take it further, you can also go to tools, and this is where you can copy trades. You can see all the pro traders on bybit and be able to copy their trades. As you can see, this is #1 guy, is a top trader by return of investment. So he's making approximately 97% within 7 days. So you can also like copy his trades and all other stuff. As you can see, we have a lot of traders right here, profitable traders. You can be able to copy their trades. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. Just wanted to show you how exactly you can make money with Bybit Crypto Exchange and using heavy crypto tools and stuff like that. If you want to learn more and take your trading game to another level, I suggest that you go to Heavy Crypto Academy. This is where you can learn pretty much anything about crypto and all that stuff. You can pay with PayPal or pay with crypto, and it's only gonna cost you 60 baht to learn pretty much anything about crypto. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. Therefore, I'll send another video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is where I'll post pretty much anything about crypto and all other stuff. As you can see, I made a bunch of videos and all that stuff. So if you appreciate this kind of videos, make sure you hit the like button, as it motivates me to come right here and then talk about crypto and give you more content and all that stuff. So this is my name is Arthur, guys. Therefore, I'll send another video. Love and peace, guys.